Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a waffle and grow a garden. First, you'll need to gather all your ingredients. This includes essentials like flour, eggs, and milk, which you can often harvest or purchase within the game. Don't forget to check your inventory for a waffle iron, as it's crucial for the cooking process. Finally, collect any fun toppings you want to add, like berries or syrup. Once you have your ingredients, it's time to prepare the batter. Combine your flour, eggs, milk, and a small pinch of sugar in a mixing bowl. Stir these ingredients together until you achieve a smooth, consistent batter without any lumps. For an extra fluffy waffle, remember to add about 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder to your mixture before cooking. Now for the exciting part, cooking your waffle. Start by preheating your waffle iron to a medium setting to ensure even cooking. Carefully pour about 1/2 cup of your prepared batter into the center of the hot iron. Close the lid and let it cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until your waffle turns a beautiful golden brown and is crispy. After cooking, carefully remove your delicious waffle from the iron. Place it on a plate and add all your favorite toppings, whether it's fresh fruit, a drizzle of syrup, or a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your homemade creation. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.